roadshow. So, but how can we have a roadshow for 2026 kung wala tayong maski 5 billion dito? Maumpisahan man lang ang Davao. Because yan then Cagayan will follow. So can we get this 122 122 billion, zero for Mindanao. All of these are Luzon. If you can see here, subway, we don't object to that. Yeah, 66 billion, you see. And then another one is North-South commuter, also 76 billion. Pwede ba kung dito ng 3 billion dito sa subway and 2 billion naman from North-South? Puro tayo dito, Luzon. So kami sa Mindanao, what happens to us? We always are second-class citizen to Imperial Manila. Our budget is stated. Our budget pie for Mindanao of the 100% is only 15%. And we are 26 million Mindanaonons or 22.3%.